Hello ladies and gentlemen, today is Saturday 13th of August 2022 and the time is 6:26 p.m. Welcome to our weekend backtesting session. This session we will continue from the previous session of the second the last one was the first week of July, and now we're going to do the second week of July. Basically it's 4th of July to the 8th of July. Alright, let's get started. So as usual, we will go to our multi-time frame analysis, but before we start, what we're going to do is we're going to advance the the chart to the next Monday, which is basically a 4th of July. So 4th of July is a major holiday in the US, so expect the market to be slow. Sunday, Monday, and we will start at New York session at 13 hours. Okay, so here is the 4th of July, 13 hours, which is equivalent to 6 p.m. GMT plus 8, where I'm at. So let's clear up all this marking from the previous session. Default. Okay, we probably want to clear this as well, make it easy to do the analysis. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna need to do this again. Scalp to fix. So as you can see here, at 13 hours, which is 6 p.m. GMT plus 8, price is at the top range of the session here. So this is a resistance level, and price make a support here. This is a very strong support level over here, and there's another support level way down here, and the next support level is here. So as you can see here, price make a sharp move here, and of course change of direction over here. So 4 level is enough, and we copy it to the H1. Oh, sorry, it does not go. Okay, so now we are at the H1 time frame. What we want to do is we want to mark the SND level for our trading range, and this is a demand zone. Price broke out this demand zone going up. As you can see here, at H1 price is currently a bullish, so there's a lower high here, lower low here, but we need to make another lower high to confirm the trend change. Excuse me. Here's the demand zone, and of course the last one we have here is the supply zone over here if price continue to go up. Okay, so moving to the M30, sorry, I need to clone this to the other time frame. Clone. So at M30 we can see price have broken off this demand zone, moving bullish. Looking at the current situation, actually price already touched the 50% here. Else this would have been a good break, pullback, and retest entry. However, at this current situation, I'm not sure of the direction, because as you can see here, price broke this high, make a pullback. We can possibly take a buy and put our stop here, but that's quite a risky trade. I would just want to sit out this one for now. So I'll advance the candle. As you can see here, price start to range, and boom, it goes down. Okay, so this is a bullish pin bar. However, there's no top wick, and also it's barely touched the zone. However, actually this zone is valid, but what we want to do here is if we want to take a buy, but we are using a buy stop. So our TP will be up here at the SND level, and our stop will be below this candle at around let's say make it 30 pips. How about here? Here is 35. Okay, I'm gonna put it here because this is a bullish engulfing candle. If you break this, mean trend gonna change. So we wait for this price to go down and go up to take this buy. So let's play the chart. If we break low, I'm gonna cancel this trade. Okay, so now price have break the low of this candle. I'm gonna cancel this trade. Let me think, or maybe not. Look like it's still valid. So now this this candle going up bullish. Let's look at M30. Yeah, it break the previous candle high as well. This is a bit too high. Let's see how far is that. This is like 5. Okay, that's all right. Okay, in this case, what I want to do is I want to let me see. Yeah, it's okay. I just leave it there. 0.5 pips. So now is okay, price broke up to the upside. However, it's almost at the end of the session. 22. So this is already end of the session. Look like price really range here, and then we don't have a good move. And since we're already in the trade, when it reached the end of the session, we just close it. Okay. Go to the trade, and I'm gonna close this trade. Probably since I have no loss for today, I'm gonna just set it at break even. Okay, so we break even. We are up 48 pips. Up 48 pips. Okay, that's fair. So let's see. Just let it play. Okay, so price continue overnight, and it take our BE. Okay, so there's a BE trade over there, and that's the 4th of July. Really no move as expected. Then we go to 5th of July, 13 hours. So this is 5th of July, 13 hours. As you can see here, big movement. Let's clear the marking. Clear the marking. And we clear the marking. Then so price make respect this resistance level, broke this support and make another support over here. So basically it look like you're gonna make a lower low. Okay, so we expect probably price want to like make a lower high over here and continue to go bearish following the big time frame. Okay, so update this, go to H1, mark the SND zone. This is our supply zone. I can take this not too big. Okay, it's a good supply zone. Supply zone over here. This is flip zone. It's very thin. Okay, price can reject that zone already, so it's a tricky situation now. And we have a demand zone here, and we have this big demand zone down here. Okay, so let's clone this. Okay, clone. Now we move to M30. Okay, sorry. M30, it's really hard to make a trade here because this candle just go from zone to zone. M15, same thing. Now it look like it make a bullish pin bar, so we missed this one, but we can try the trade again over here. Buy stop. If we break above this candle, we can take TP here, and okay, below here is 30 pips. Okay, so if we break up, then we take it, which about 1 hour. That's fair. If we continue bearish, then we will not be in the trade. So make a lower low and you break the previous candle low. So look like the price is going bearish now. So what we're gonna do, we cancel the trade. Okay, so we need to wait for the price to break low and pull back, and then we have the entry. I'm just gonna speed up. Oh, sorry, that's bad. Okay, so this candle close here. So what we want to do is they close below the zone and make a breakout structure over here. Okay, so we take a Fibonacci tool and we take the trade at 50% of this candle. So sell limit, sorry, we're still in the trade. Sell limit. So our stop will be up here. Our entry is at a 50% level. A little bit lower is fine because that stop is I'll reduce it to 30 pips. Okay, then we can target it to this level. Okay, so price continue to go down. Next bar, look like it doesn't take our trade and it continue to go down. So as you can see here, we already have the budget for this one. It just, how to say, touch the low of this candle and continue to go bearish. So unfortunately, of course, in this situation, we will not be able to take the trade unless we do a breakout trade on this one, which I didn't trade that way actually. Okay, so it is what it is. We missed this trade, and it's 6:45. There's still plenty of time. It went all the way to our TP. Okay, so it go down to the demand zone and it break again. So now this is tricky because it's already below here and we don't have a zone mark here. So let's go back to H4 and see where where can it go? Wow, it's really far. Okay, so at the moment the so there's no high. There was a news just now, that's why the price moved very fast. Then okay, look like there's no guidance for us to take this trade, but what we can do is no guidance as in no TP target. Let's take the trade at the 50% of the level. 50% is here, TP down here. Let's put a stop 30 pips. Oh, 30 pips. Okay, somewhere there. For 720, let's advance to the next bar. 730. Oh wait. So we are in the trade now. It tagged our entry and it continued to go bearish. Okay. $7:55 p.m. Almost hit our TP target. Actually, this TP target is too far. Should target just the low of that candle. Nice, okay. And there's a minor. Oh, it's a pullback. Making a top wick. So if the candle open and straight away reverse, that's a good thing, because usually we continue to go bearish after that. But now it's doing fancy thing. Okay, so if, as you can see here, it goes up and then it goes down. If it does not break this candle, I'm gonna probably want to close the trade. This is 8:30 p.m. So it break. Yes, it break. Okay, so it break below, but it make a pullback, and boom, that's our TP. Okay, so spread look like really high. Okay, however, we are TP. Okay, so this is a very good trade. Let's do the analysis breakdown again. We come here and we see this. Okay, let me just screenshot first. So first we see this break of structure. That is number one. Okay, so break of structure here, this level, very clear break of structure. Then number two is we take a 50% of this candle, and then we set our stop at number three, SL equal 30 pips. So usually gold, if it go beyond 30, it doesn't go in our direction, then it make this thing a minor pullback here. We don't close. Minor pullback. Okay, so that's the trade, a very nice one. So number 4, July. So this one is on the 5th of July. 5th of July, the time we enter the trade, what's the time here? About 7:15 like that just now. Let me see here. Where was it? Okay, here. Sell at 7:41. This one give 700. Wow, that's good. This was a good trade, I'll say. Okay, next one. Oh wait, I need to journal this as well. That one we took on M15, but it was break even. This trade. I forgot to journal this one, so I need to make sure I journal this. Break high. Okay, make sure we journal everything so we can have a good good trading record to be based on. 712, sorry, 2.8R. So currently excuse me, currently on this account we are at minus 0.1 because of the how to say, commission. Yep, because of the commission. Okay, so continue. This is at 30. There's still a still a active trading session. Okay, so price start to range now. I did not see any obvious price action move. It's range, and this is midnight. Okay, so we need to stop and let's go to the next day. Wednesday, 13 hours. Okay, here we are at 13 hours. Let's clear the template again. Clear the M15, M30, H1 and H4. Okay, so H4, so as you can see here, H4, we have a support form at that area. So what I'm gonna do is I remain this zone, but I put a support here. Okay, so if price break below this, then we can consider a sell. Or if it break above this, we consider a buy. This zone probably gonna be the same. This one is too far, so I think we don't need it for now. Same like this one. If you go up, there's plenty of zone for it to react to up here before you reach those. Okay, clone. Go to H1, we mark our SND level. Okay, supply zone, this is the supply zone, and this is the demand zone. Okay, then this is the SR flip zone. Sorry. Okay. So let's go to M30. So in M30 we can see price have broke above this one. It does not reach that zone. However, overall trend is bearish. I'm more inclined to take a sell than buy at this point of time. I'm gonna probably sit out this trade. Let's see how it goes. Change to M15. Does not do anything there. Okay, so this one is a tricky one. Okay, let's finish up this candle. Okay, so now this is a clear break of structure as we expected. I will take, let's see, on M30 how it look like. Oh, it's the same candle. Okay, so excuse me, I will take the trade at the 50% of this candle. Let's see how big is it. Sell limit, we are going bearish, so we take it here. We might miss this trade like the previous one. Okay, I'll take it at the 50% and keep my stop at 30 pips. Okay, then we can aim for the low. That will give us 1.3. Okay, then we let it play. They go to our TP but did not take our trade. But we still got 12 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Oh no. Eight more minutes for this candle to close. You know what? I just gonna speed up. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. 5 minutes. Okay, so you go up. Probably take our. Okay, so we're in the sell and make a nice pullback. Hopefully, it does not continue to go up. So let's see where it goes. Okay, price hits our TP. Alright, that's good. We could have moved it to this low of that candle, but I was a bit hesitant just now. Let's see. Yeah, that would be very nice. Extra, I don't know. Let's see. Extra, wow, extra 10 pips, 10 points, 10 pips. That would be a good profit. That is okay. So we got our trade. I feel the fear just now when the trade is ongoing. So number one, clear break of structure. Number two, we take at 50% as usual, and okay, I'll put this in a comment. Should have moved the TP, but I did not, but it's okay. So this one is on the 7th of 6th of July, sorry, 6th of July. 6th of July, the trade was 7:30 p.m. It's number 6, July 6, 19. PNL is 3%. Okay, so there you go. Finally, this account is in a profit a little bit. Okay, so we still have time here, so we're going to continue to advance the M15 candle. Wow, so this it make a break of structure, but it's really hard to take a trade in that zone. Okay. So let's look at H1. This is a strong candle, but I wouldn't want to take a trade on that one. So this is 22 plus. Okay, this is the end of the session already, so let's move to the next day. Okay, so this is the 6 p.m. Let's start from M15. Clear the chart, then we clear this one as well, and let's go to H4, mark the zone. Alright, so we break below this support level just now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just take this one and put this into the support, and likewise this one is way too high, so I'm just gonna use it for the resistance level. Delete this. So far there is a 6 trade on 6 days, so average like 1 trade a day. It's pretty good. Keep the discipline. Okay, so now let's go to H1. In H1, we mark the SND zone as usual. This is the SR flip zone still. Okay, mark this one, and then we mark this one, and we mark this one. This one is a bit tricky. Oh, sorry. Okay, supply zone, and this is a demand zone. zone down here. All right, what we need to do is clone this to the other time frame. And go to M30, look at the trade. Oh, we already missed this one. I don't know, man. Wow, we missed that. Okay, we will try this trade because this is a good move. Although there's a okay, about H1. I will use H1 and enter at the 50% of the H1 candle. So if it does not take the order, that's fine. We're not in a loss. So we sell limit over there. So we enter around here, put our stop at 30 pips here. Okay, and let's TP here. Although it's potentially reject this one, I will expect it to go down, reject, and go down like that. Okay, let's see. Oh no, it's not taking our order, it seems. Oh, it does. So we're in a sell now. And it actually reject this level. Almost gonna take our stop. Okay, let's make it big so we can see. Yep, there you go. And make a pullback. Almost take the stop. Oh man. We got 3 minutes more in this candle. Oh no. Potentially we take our stop because our stop is not above the structure. Yep. Wow. Okay, let's see on a lower time frame. M15. Nah, it took our stop. So let's see on this one. Okay, I'm gonna journal this first. Okay, so we can't even see that trade. Okay. So it really reject this level. Okay, so this is trade number 7. That is 7 August, and it's like oh wait, 6:35. Okay, let's look for a sell opportunity here. Okay, look like okay, so now this one. All right, this candle is a fake out from the zone. we kind of late here, but I'll just do this and make a sell stop. Sell stop a little bit lower and see. We can target this. Our stop is 36 pip. Okay, 36 is fine. Okay. Make it a little bit bigger so we can see it's more obvious. 35 pips, that's fine. Let's see. I take this because it goes up and close in the zone, and it go up and close bearish, make a bearish pin bar. So this is a tweezer pattern, but it's been quite tricky move as well. $7:30 p.m. move. Hopefully it push it below. Okay, so now it break the previous bullish candle, and now it continue to go bearish. Again, it make a pullback. Okay, now it's getting tricky because it go low, but again it also break below that candle. Wow. If this close bearish, it will be very good. Yep, bearish pin bar. And it's a strong rejection in this zone to go bearish. $35. Okay, fair enough. 1R is here. Okay. Okay, price almost hit our TP target. 8 o'clock. If it doesn't hit at 8, it potentially will continue to go hit the target at 8:30. Okay, so the candle closed bearish, almost bearish. 8:15, at 12. We'll see how it goes at 8:15. Okay, so it closed bearish at 8:15. Come on, it's just a little bit more. Okay. I think at 8:30 it will swipe this level. Okay, so you make a top wick. Come on, make a top wick, then you make a lower wick. Okay, then you continue to go bearish. Oh, I'm gonna break even this trade because it have been a lot of candle, and if it's gonna come back, that's a bit messy. Okay, so now it break. Okay, it doesn't oh, so I'm gonna close manually because keep making rejection at that level, as you can see here. This is 9 p.m. so it potentially will reject, so I decide to close this trade. Close is this one. Okay, so it does not, it hit our TP target, but due to spread it doesn't close. And let's see, it does make a top wick first though. Wow, it's nice to trade. So finally I think it hit our TP target. This is 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. It hit the TP target that we have over here, I think. But there's a long time. Yeah, probably we hit, but I think close there is right. You don't have to wait super long for this one. And looking at the movement is like ranging. I don't know, is it want to go down or want to go up, it making kind of support over here. So and then the range become very tight to trade. So I think that's the end of the trading session for that day. Let's journal this trade. So this one is very easy. It's a fake or tweezer. And then enter on the low. Enter on low. Okay, TP target was here. TP. Okay, so trade number 8. July 7. So we have one losing trade and one profitable trade. Alright, that's good. This is at 7:15 p.m. The PNL was 368. 30 pips. R is 368 divided by 250. 368 divided by 250. 368 divided by 250. So that's 1.47 R. Okay, 1.4. Okay, so we can see account is 0.77%. Okay, that's fair enough. Then we go to next day, Friday. Okay, so again we clear the thing. Clear. Then we remove this. Oh, okay. So this is Friday. Wow, it's a very tight move over here. Support here, support here, resistance here. Okay, so alright, let's go to H1. Oh, that is nasty. How do I mark this one? Maybe I remove this. Because this is range, so I don't trade in that range. This range is quite decent in M15, but let's not trade in that range. Okay, so supply zone, demand zone, then supply zone. Easy, don't complicate it. Okay, and you go to M30. As you can see here, price just boom all the way there. Same here. Really don't know how the price gonna move. No clear movement here. I'm gonna just watch. Just bound in the range. Okay, so now it pairs up, but it closed back in. So this is the same trade setup. We can take a sell below here, and TP maybe here. Okay, how much the TP? Oh, the TP is like 30. That's way too big. I'll give you 35. Is there news? No USD news. That's good. Right, let's see. The price broke below, mean you want to go bearish. If it broke above, well, this mean you're gonna go bullish. Come on. Okay, boom. We're in the trade. We're in the sell now. We're in a sell. Okay, we're in a sell. I have a price make rejection. Come back to our entry. But continue to go bearish. That's good. That's good. Potentially we have a rejection here because there's this weak rejection. Not sure if I wanna like 36. There is 45. So now it's a tricky situation because there's a rally, base rally over here in a lower time frame. But if we break below here, which is, yeah, it barely do it. So I break the low of that bullish engulfing candle, and okay, let's see how we react to this level. If we break below, that will be good. If not, this is 9 o'clock. Let's say at 9:30. Oh no. So I react to this. It look like it's gonna make a support. So at this point of time, I'm not sure if it's gonna continue to go bullish or it's gonna go down. So what I'll do now, I'll go and break even the trade first. No, not close. Sorry. Okay, so are gonna break even. Okay, I'm okay if I don't get the profit from this trade. So it make a top wick, which is good, and now it break below that. Okay, so now we are secure. This is good. So we have a high chance to hit our TP target. Strong rejection there from that previous bearish candle. This one, okay. But price really goes correctively. This is 9:55, almost 10 o'clock. Okay, 10 o'clock. Okay, now you're making a support here. Come on, break the support. Break below, please. Break below. Break below. Okay, break below this candle. Let me see how it look like on M30. Yeah, on M30 it looks okay. H1. Oh, this is a pullback of 50% of this bullish engulfing candle. Most probably. And now is 10:40. Oh god, this is so long. And 11 o'clock. So 11 o'clock now. Rarely price will move big around 11. It's almost like end of the session. So this is 12 midnight. I'm gonna close it here. It's a little above 1 hour. Regardless, this is okay trade. It's been ranging, and that's not very good for the emotion. Okay. So pin bar. We keep our stop at 35 pips. This is 1, this is 2, 35 pips. SL. TP is here, but it's too low. This is 3. This is 3. However, 4 here. Support. And number 5 and session. Okay, so basically it's the end of session and end of the week as well. So far we have a pretty good week, I guess, for this one. The date is 8th of August, 8th of July. July, and this one we enter at close. So this trade we 15 is 8:10 p.m. PNL was 273, which is fine. A little above 1 hour, 1.1, I guess. 273, yeah, 1.1. So okay, that's the spread, the end of the second week of July 2022. As you can see here, we are simulating, we are retrading this week, and from from the journal, uh, from the journal, we can see that this week was pretty good compared to the first one. We have three straight loss, and then we make up the profit back. Now we almost, well, the account is 50k, so we make a little bit above 1 hour on the account. Okay, so we continue again on the next session. Thanks for watching, and I see you again on the next one. Bye bye.